Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Lesson. And in today's video we'll be looking at the between operator, like operator, and the in operator. In our last video we looked at the logical operators, that is the and, the or functions, and the not function, how you can use them in the where clause to filter out data. Today we'll be looking at the between, like, and the in operator. First, what is this between operator used for? The between operator allows you to select values within a given range. You want to see all the records for the orders placed with the total amount between 1,000 and 3,000. So let's say we want to see all the records of the orders placed so far that the total amount is between 1,000 and 3,000. So we say select all from orders where total amount is between, so you have to include what the start value is and what the end value is, between, I would say between 1,000 and 3,000. So let's run this and see what it's going to give us. Execute. So you can see that it returns the record where the total amount is between 1,000. So you start from 1,000 then to 3,000, 1,000 and 3,000. But even here we have 1,000 as the least amount, then the highest amount is 2,000, so probably because we don't have any total amount that is up to 3,000. This is how you use the between function. Okay, what if I do not want to see records where total amount is not between 1,000 and 3,000? I mean, this is where you combine the not and the between function together. So let's see this. So you say select all from orders where total amount not between 1,000 and 3,000. Let's run this and see. You would notice that every record that has returned 16 out of 20 rows are not between 1,000. They are either below 1,000 and above 3,000, which I don't think we have values above 3,000 here, because the highest value from what we did here stopped at 2,200. So you can see that we have 300 down to 550. Every of the values here are not up to 1,000. This is how you use the not and between function together. So let's look at the like operator. And what is this like operator used for? The like operator is used in the where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. So I would do this well when we are looking at wildcards, but let's look at this. What if I want to see, let's work with the customer table. Select all from customer. So let's work with the customer table and I'll run this. Execute. So let's see all the records. So this is the customer. So what if I want to see all the country that starts from C? So I'm going to use the like operator here. Select all from customers where what? The city. Then we use the operator like. So you wrap it around this single quotation mark, like. So I want to see where the city starts from C. So I'll type in C, then I would put this symbol for percentage. So you are saying that the first letter must be C. Then this percentage means any number of characters can come after it. So I'd come here, close this, then I'll run this. Let's see. And so let's see. Oh, the name, sorry, the name is causing the issue. So let's run this and you can see that it returned the city starting with C. This is how you do it. So what if I want to see cities that ended with letter E? Let's see if it's possible. E, Then let's run this and see if it's going to return records for us. So you can see it returned this San Jose, Jackson, Sonville, we have Charlotte, then we have Soto. These are cities that ended with E. So I didn't mean our customer's name, full name had maybe some people's name starting with alphabets A. I'll just say, okay, let me see record of those that their name is starting with A, and let's see. Run this and return just okay for city. So rest city, this is city, so let's change this from city to full name and run it. This should only return Alice, if I'm not, yeah, Alice, because she's the only one with that name starting with letter A. So this is how you use the like, or it just notice a pattern and follow it, filter a record from it. So let's look at the next one, which is the in operator. And what is the in operator used for? The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. So let's use the others table here. Select all from others, and let's see, all from others. So let's run this. So we have this. So what if I only want to see products that are laptop, smartphone, and speakers? Only products, laptop, smartphone, and speakers. So I'd come here and say, okay, select from others where what? Where product, my product in. So you use this in and you wrap it around your bracket like this. In what? The first one is that it is laptop, then comma, put down a single quotation mark, smartphone, then speakers. Then I'll close my parentheses and run this. Consider the return record of product, laptop, smartphone, and speakers. You can't find any other product. So with this in function, you can filter out based on specified values in the where clause. So can you combine? What if it's not? I don't want to see products that are laptop, smartphone, and speakers. Just use your not function. Not in, and let's run this. Not in. So let's run this. Run this and execute. So you can see return products that they are not laptop, smartphone, and speaker. If you do the same thing for the like, where not like, so not like would return records that are not having their first name starting with A. You can see Bob, Charlie, every person you see here, every record you see here would not have the full name starts with the letter A. So this is how you use the like operator, the in operator, and the between operator. Alright, so we'll meet in our next video. As usual, don't forget to practice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, and of course share to people that you know needs to gain this knowledge as well. We meet again. Bye.